I've never cleaned my oven this easily before. I'll never scrub it again because it's a waste of time. It turns out you only need 3 ingredients and a clever use of natural chemical compounds. Cleaning a burnt oven can be really annoying. Grease and burnt food residues stick to the inside, and once they cool down, they're very hard to remove. Instead of using harsh chemicals, you can do it with this trick. Place a heat-proof dish on the oven rack. Pour in boiling water. Then add about 2 cups of vinegar. It's a brilliant natural degreaser. Slice 1 lemon into thin rounds. Lemon has antibacterial and disinfecting properties, and it also smells beautifully fresh. Add the slices to the dish and close the oven. That's when the magic happens. The steam spreads the ingredients and coats the oven walls. For an even stronger effect, set the oven to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The steaming water softens the burnt-on food, so you won't need to scrub anymore. After about 30 minutes, open the oven and wipe it with a wet sponge. The dirt and grease come off immediately. This clever method always works. Behind the oven door, there is a hidden button that makes cleaning easier. Most people are unaware of it. Just pull it upwards to release the lock. Repeat the process on the other side. With the doors prepared in this way, they will be easy to remove. Next, grab them and lift them slightly. The hinges should come out on their own. There is a protective plastic on the oven door. Use a screwdriver to pry it open and then remove it. This way, you'll be able to disassemble and clean the glass. Not everyone knows that you can also remove the rack and glass when cleaning. Just pull them towards you with a firm motion. This way, you can thoroughly clean the oven walls. If you don't like scrubbing off burnt grease and food residues, use baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties and is safe for health. Sprinkle it evenly over the doors and inside the oven using a sieve. A thick layer should cover the entire surface. Then, take a paper towel. Spread it in the areas covered with baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Screw it tightly. Spray the towels generously with it. They should absorb the mixture well. Both substances will react under the towels and start removing burnt food. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After that time, simply remove the towels and wipe the oven with them. All the dirt will stick to their surface, and you won't have to scrub. It can even handle tough stains. Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean.